Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel here, the channel which is related to the updates of CBSE notifications. So this notification was released by Sayam Bharadwaj on 29th July 2021, and this has been sent to all the principals and head of the institution to the schools which are affiliated to the CBSE. And the subject of this letter or this notification is about information about the roll numbers for classes 10 and 12 for boards examinations 2021 regarding. So this is the notification regarding that. Further we see what this notification is saying to us. The boards examinations for classes 10 and 12 were cancelled, by the board. Wide notification dated 1/5/2021. On the 1/5/2021 they have released, and 1/6/2021 also they respectively they have put a notification regarding the cancellation of the examination. And it was also decided that the result for both the classes, that is 10th and 12th, will be declared on the basis of an objective criteria declared by the board. Now it says that since the examinations were not conducted for both the classes, therefore the admit cards for the students were not released by the board. Now the board is in the process of declaring the result. Now soon as the board is preparing to declare the result, the students will only be able to assess the result with the help of board's roll numbers issued to them. This is how the student will be able to assess only with the help of the board's roll number which is issued to that. Since the admit cards have not been released, the students might not be aware about the roll numbers, but students, they don't know the roll numbers allotted to them by the board. Accordingly, to facilitate the students, the board has created an online facility for the students to find out their roll numbers. So what it says, that there is an online facility to find out your roll numbers. And what is that facility that we are going to see further over here. Now guys, here we have that facilities to find the roll number online. The following may not in connection with the online roll number finder facility of the board. The first one, it says the roll number finder facility is available on the board's website. So there is an official website of CBSE on which one can find, and this is the link is given over here, as you can see, https://cbse.in/cbse/2021 rfinder/lending.aspx. So this is the site from where one can find roll number. The second, it says the student will have to enter exactly the same credential which were uploaded in the LOC date for finding their roll number. Third point, it says the students may also find their roll numbers from the link and downloading the roll number slips being made available on the CBSE website. Further, the notifications say that also to ensure means to make something sure, availability of information timely with the students, and to avoid the last minute rush, the schools are hereby requested to take the following action. And now this is something the school is supposed to do, that they inform all the candidates about the above facility through email, SMS, or the phone call. So this is the responsibility of the school to inform you about this roll number finding process through email, SMS, or the phone calls. The school may also inform the student about their roll numbers and their registered phone numbers. Results of the students will also be available in their DigiLocker. So this is all about this notification which has been released by Dr. Sayam Bharadwaj, who is the controller of examination of CBSE. Guys, so thank you very much, and I wish you a nice day to all of you ahead. Thank you very much.